Hello and welcome to this Millennial Review, where today we're replacing the windshield washer fluid on this Honda HR-V, and I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy. Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is go ahead and open the hood on the car, and so this is done fairly easily. Just go ahead, open up your door, and look down kind of where the pedals are, and you're going to see this latch over here. So it's just a pull, so you pull on that, pull up forward, and then you're going to go around front. You'll notice the hood is popped up just a little bit. Look at where the Honda symbol is, and just inside of there, you're going to see a little lever that you pull over and lift up. Now that lever itself, that's what's moving over to be able to lift up the hood, and then you're going to have this hood prop that you'll pull up and then place right into that hole. And you'll notice that's what's going to hold the hood up and open. Underneath the hood, we're going to be looking for a blue cap, which is going to be over here on the passenger side. Little flip top, open that up. And that is where the windshield wiper fluid's going to be. And you'll notice it's got that little wiper fluid logo on it. And then we'll take our windshield wiper fluid. I'll have some link down below. But basically, any wiper fluid will do unless you're in a cold climate, in which case there's a fluid type that's specifically for the cold where it's not going to end up freezing or anything like that. But we'll take this, just take it right on over to our water fill, or our fluid fill, I should say, and just start pouring it in. And there's no specific quantity. You're just going to keep filling until either your bottle runs out or you'll see it start to overflow. Just like so. Go ahead. Then just press down. Awesome. That's filled up. And then now at this point, you're going to lift back up on the hood, which is going to open up the hood prop to be able to slid back down. And you'll see there's a spot that you're able to clip it into place. So just go ahead and clip down. Keep the hood kind of propped up. Let loose. And it's going to snap right back down into place. And here you'll see the hood is clipped down. Just give a good push, make sure that it's clipped, and then we can hop in and test our windshield wiper fluid. And now, just pull back on your stock, and we're going to get a little bit of windshield wiper fluid going, and the windshield's in much better shape. There you are. That's all it takes to get a nice clean windshield like we have here.